And if I jump, and look at this. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Oh, welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it around with all your friends. And with this said, we're gonna start the review of the AOCHUAN Smart XE. This one here, guys. So I'm really excited about this gimbal. I was about to do a review with this gimbal with my iPhone 15 Pro Max because yes, it works with iPhone 15 Pro Max. But guess what? If you live in UK, you will understand. So I'm still waiting for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Never mind. I'm gonna tell you all about this gimbal, price, specs, and in the end, if it's worth it. With this said, let's start with the price. Price is not the main factor when choosing gimbals, but it helps when you have a budget price and loads of premium features. The Smart XE kit option has a price tag of £86 in UK, and at the time of this recording, you can also use a 10% voucher. For the US, the price tag is $85.99, and you also can use the 10% voucher. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Let's have a look what we have inside of the box. This gimbal is really compact and lightweight. I really like the box, simple but with all the information. Inside, you have the information regarding the small magnetic field light, more on that later. The field light itself, a small tripod, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, the gimbal itself, and the last one, the manual, with all the information regarding app as well. Looking at the gimbal, it only weighs 249 grams. A lightweight solution for TikTokers and videographers on the go. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. Actually, it's surprisingly durable, with me dropping it every single day and still works without any problems. In the handle, you have the 2600 mAh battery that allows you to use the Smart XE for 10 hours in a row. Let's have a look at the gimbal more in detail next. So, in the front of the gimbal, you have 4 LEDs that indicate the modes and the battery. Below that, you have the joystick and 2 buttons. First one, the photo start recording that can also be used to switch from landscape to TikTok mode, easy set, and the power button that can be used to check the battery as well. On the left side, you have the focus wheel, and below that, the zoom switch. On the right side, you have the USB-C port for charging. On top and bottom of the phone clip, you have 2 magnetic plates so that you can place your magnetic field light. At the bottom of the gimbal is where you can attach your tripod. And the last, at the back of your gimbal, you have a fasten buckle for folding your gimbal. Pairing your iPhone or Android phone with a gimbal is straightforward. The app, AOCHUAN, works really well, and I was quite impressed with all the features in the app. This app is designed to enhance photography and videography experience. The AOCHUAN app boasts an array of creativity modes and shooting options, from time-lapse and panorama modes to object tracking and face recognition. Let's do some testing next. We are on face recording, and you can see my face, and if I go down, here we go. This way, I run to the other way. My camera there. Yeah. It looks like pretty good. As you guys can see, you got quite white lines on my arms and on my upper body. So yeah, look, I'm quite far now and he still tracks me. Look at this. And if I jump and I go back, let's go on the chair. Look at this. Yeah, really cool. It works without any problems at recording in movie mode. So I'm recording in movie mode now. You can go around my Sony camera. This gimbal has so much features. It's packed of features, and as you guys can see, it is so smooth. So smooth. Unfortunately, I could not get my iPhone 15 Pro Max because it's out of stock in UK to make this video. Testing the front camera. So I'm just walking around with the gimbal, and I'm using the camera app. So I'm not using the iPhone app, just the camera app. So let me know what you guys think. Right guys, so now this is the test using the main camera. So I'm walking, so let me know if you guys think it's shaking or not. Let me know what you guys think about the footage. So I'm using the main camera and the app, the AOCHUAN app. So nothing to do with the main camera from the phone, nothing like that, from the iPhone, nothing like that. And this is the camera I'm using to record it. Lovely Sony. So as you guys can see, it's not focused now because I'm using the wheel. So look, how cool is this? Just using the wheel, you can focus the camera and then come out of focus and go back in focus. So you can make really cool transitions from something that is not in focus to focus very smoothly. Look, really cool, really cool. So if you want to do a TikTok, it's quite easy. So you can be talking and your footage is going to be stable. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. Is that something that you're going to use to do TikToks? I think you should. It is really cool and is really good and makes you able to move around without shaking the footage. You have a light, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. We're gonna go back inside and carry on with the review inside. The AOCHUAN Smart XE comes with a magnetic field light that offers a range of customizable lighting options to suit your needs. With adjustable brightness levels and color temperature, you have complete control over the ambience mode of your shots. Whether you require warm, cozy glow or a bright, vibrant illumination, this field light delivers exceptional versatility. So, my final opinion, the AOCHUAN Smart XE Kit Gimbal is a budget-friendly, very capable gimbal. Its advanced technology, sleek design, and intelligent features make it a must-have for professionals and enthusiasts like TikTok users, for example. Furthermore, this gimbal offers a long-lasting battery life, allowing you to capture hours of footage without interruption. This is an easy gimbal to recommend. And that's it guys, this was our review on our AOCHUAN Smart XE. If you found any value in this review, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I will leave links in the video description in case you want to buy it. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.